Valentine's Day, Mommy. Today is February 13, but we're celebrating it now here for our Valentine's Day here at SM Fairview Food Court. Ayan, pinakain kami. Siyempre, salo-salo namin. Angelica, happy Valentine's Day. Advance for tomorrow. And every day should be a Valentine's Day. Mommy, love you. So, look at me. Nandito kami ngayon at Happy Valentine's and to all our family friends, we are giving you Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Today at the food court here at SM. Kumain kami dyan sa Flaming Hot. Saka nag-order kami Davao Tuna Grill ng ayan. Angelica, nandito, ang daming kinakain. Ang daming tao, pero alauna na kaya medyo bumawas na. So, we will just get some more videos. For now. Bye. Happy Valentine's. Wow. Hug and kisses. Kisses kita.